Ma'am and one and all present over here. So my thought is, actually it is not just a thought, these are some lines which I truly believe in my life too. So please listen carefully. If someone or some person stand behind you, protect them. If they stand beside you, help them. If they stand with you, respect them. Or if they stand against you, just defeat them. Thank you.
To hand over this mark to Pratiti and Navi for today's assembly activity.
Respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends,
I, Navi Jain,
and I, Pratiti Jain,
are going to present
today's assembly activity on topic we are learning. We should be definitely aware of our surroundings.
Yes, then how will we complain to Shivam sir?
No, it is make our knowledge more informative and knowledgeable too. So, for our news, I would like to call Priyanshi to make us aware about latest bulletins.
Good morning everyone. Today's latest bulletins are ECI issues notice to Haryana BJP for using child in election campaign video. Kolkata rape murder case like updates. Proposal for anti-rape bill approved. IMA revokes membership of Sandeep Ghosh, ex-principal of RJ Kar Hospital. Lucknow Super Giants owner calls Rahul family but refuses to confirm his retention for IPL. Zaheer Khan replaces Gautam Gambhir, the new mentor of Lucknow Super Giants ahead of IPL 2025. Jai Shah becomes ICC president, rise of India's administrative giants. Thank you.
What show its effect on fake flowers? If a person is willing to learn, a single thought is enough to motivate it. So for a fresh thought, I would like to call Yamini.
Morning everyone. The thought states that the hardest walk is the walk that makes you alone, but it is the walk which makes you strong, fearless, confident and independent. Thank you.
It would be so easy if फॉर्मूलाज ना होते, फिजिक्स में न्यूमेरिकल ना होते, केमिस्ट्री में रिएक्शन ना हो और हिस्ट्री में डेट्स याद ना करनी होती. But instead of making your goal easier, make your aim harder.
Because tough words लड़ने से confidence आता है.
So Aryan Khan will present you some of the tips which will help you to concentrate on your study and keep learning.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Some of the study management tricks are: first, stop procrastination. It's a 5-minute tool. You just have to set a time for a 5 minutes for how much you have to do the work, and then it automatically forces you to do it more. Second is pen mind technique. In this technique, you have to write whatever you want and concentrate on a particular topic. At every moment, whenever you have done a concentration, you need to return to the source material and revise it again. Second is write me down method. In this method, it's the world's most best method for learning of each and everything. Here, you need to learn of whatever you want to do in the topic of your class or even in the notes does not matter in the order how much you are able to learn it, but it's matter of how you are getting wrong and trying it again. Next is 1, 2, 4, 7 rule. In this rule, you have to learn it on the first day, revise it on the second day, and on the 7th day, and regularly on the every month. And last is the Pomodoro technique. In this technique, you have to learn for 25 minutes and have a nap or break of 5 minutes. Thank you and have a cheerful day.
Aryan, do you know what? A physics student would never make friend to a girl named Roshni.
Why? Because he knows light has dual nature. Roshni dogli hai.
Oh, do you know why Africa is so hot?
Why?
Because black body emits more light. Jokes apart, everyone makes mistake in a life and everyone afraid once in a life.
But it is important to conquer the fear and try again hard.
So here is a song presented by Navi, Aditi and Divyana, dedicated to all those who are afraid.
धागे वाले खेल में कभी कभी जो गांठ पड़े पढ़ाई या खेल हो या दोस्ती की हो जो बारी जैसे सूखा कोई पेड़ हो जो झड़ा हुआ नहीं कोशिशें कितनी करके देखी
friend here. So word of the day is truculent. Its Hindi meaning is ugra, and used in sentences. They became truculent when asked to leave. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Keep learning, keep exploring.
Today's assembly activity is prepared in the guidance of respective Shivam sir. Thank you, sir.